Hello everyone, this is Joshua from Modastra. Today I would like to show you how you can easily train a model with the help of MAEA. MAEA is our medical AI engineering agent, which helps you to automate AI model development specifically for medical application. So it covers model exploration to training to evaluation and to deployment. So what we have here is our platform, and on the left side you can see the data sets that we already uploaded to the platform. We can take a look at the data set here. Here we have this NIH X-ray data set. It has about 5,000 samples, and you can already see the annotations for each of the samples. I believe we have up to 20 classes that we can train on this data set. So we're going to ask MAEA to help us to train a model on these 20 targets. So to train a model is simple. You just give MAEA the instruction in natural language. So I'm going to do that here. Let's give it a name, NIH X chest X-ray model. And we select the appropriate data set. And I can add the instruction here. The instruction is simple. Train a model to predict the following targets from an X-ray input image. And I just mentioned here there are 20 targets as follows, and I put all the names of the target here. So MAEA is going to take all the targets, name of the target, and use it to train the model. So we'll click continue. And now what happens is that MAEA orchestrates a training pipeline behind the scene for us and helps us to fire up the resources that is needed to train this model. So we have 3 stages here. I think one is data preparation, model training, and the last one I think is model evaluation. Now this process might take about 30 seconds up to 2 minutes depending on the architecture that MAEA chooses and the resources that is needed. So let's see what MAEA comes up with. So we see that MAEA has proposed an architecture here. We can click each of these resources and see what MAEA has come up with. So let's take this conv next base, and we see that he has rightly chosen 20 classes. We can also see other resources such as the optimizer, the optimization criterion, the evaluation metric here for training, and also the transformation that is needed for each of the data augmentation. So for this case, we can look at the training configuration here. And just for the sake of this example, we're just going to train for 5 epochs, and then we can save that. So this allows a human in the loop to change what MAEA has come up with. If we want to add more instruction to what we want MAEA to do, we simply just add more of the instruction here. For example, we might want MAEA to use a different architecture, and we'll just ask that question. So let's go ahead and train this model. So now MAEA is going to start the training on the background, and we should start seeing the training progress as time goes on. This should take about a few minutes to maybe a few hours depending on how complex the model is and how much data that we are training. So we see here MAEA started training, and we should start seeing the progress as time goes on. So we're just going to wait until the model trains finish training. Now the model has finished training. We can see the training progress down here, and the model has also run the evaluation. Our final evaluation score is around 90%. So we can extend this training, or we can just deploy it. So I'm going to show you how to deploy. We just simply click the deploy button here, and we accept, and then our model is ready to test. And we can simply share this page with our internal team or with stakeholders who are interested in testing the model. First, I need to activate the model so that I can test it. Now that the model has been activated, let's test with a sample image. Okay, I'm just gonna run the prediction, And now we see the model predicts no finding. We can also view the raw response here to see the probabilities given for each of the predictions. Okay, once we have tested our model, we can simply check see how our model is performing over time. So I'm gonna go to the deployment page here. This allows us to simply monitor the model over time. We see that we've made around 7 API calls. We can track the model's latency and how many calls that has been done. And once we're done with this, we just switch off the model. So that is how you train and deploy a model using MAEA. If you're interested in knowing more about what MAEA can do for you, send us an email at info@modastra.com and we'll reach back to you. Thank you.